Sophia, and I'm the Team Laguna team leader, and also St. Martin Forest Kids Home team leader.
Ako si Sally. Ate Sally ang normal na tawag sa akin ng mga bata. Ako ang house parent.
Ilan taon na po nag-serve?
I started serving St. Martin de Porres since 2013.
13 years.
How do you feel right now, and how does it feel being part of this mission?
I'm so happy right now seeing the kids experience the things that they never experienced before. It makes my heart grow with love, and also being part of the ministry is such a privilege, serving God and at the same time serving the kids.
Sobrang saya namin every time na may mga schedule na tinext sa akin si Ate Tin. Super excited na yung mga bata. Na-enjoy nila yung every pagpunta ninyo.
What made you say yes to being here, serving the children?
I said yes to this ministry because I know it's God's way of calling me to serve Him. So serving the kids is one way of fulfilling God's will in my life. And every time I see the kids' faces, whenever they smile, it makes me happy.
Ano po yung mga natatandaan yung mga unang araw nung pagbisita ng St. Paul?
Unang araw, awkward pa sa inyo. Pero yung mga unang araw natin, masaya na yung activities kasi yung mga bata naman talaga very cooperative sa lahat ng bisita. Pero hindi pa naman kagaya ng dati na pag gusto nilang kumain, nahihiya pa silang kumuha din sa nakahain naman talaga. Hindi kagaya na ngayon talagang at-home na talaga sa inyo.
What do you hope the children feel and experience today?
I hope that the kids will remember this day and they will feel love, and one more time, every time they will remember this moment.
Pagaya din ng dream ko sa mga anak ko, yung makatapos ko ng pag-aaral sila. Unti-unti nakikita ko sila na nakakatapos ng grade 6, ng high school. Kung ano yung goal ko sa mga anak ko, ganun din sa akin.
What lesson have these children taught you about life and love?
These kids have taught me to appreciate more of my life, not just thinking of myself every day, but they taught me to think of others. There's still more outside my world, so they showed me that.
If you could send one message to people watching this, what would it be?
My message to anyone who will watch this video is for you to see what God's purpose in your life. Know what's the mission that God has given to you. And serving these kids will be one of those purposes. So just take time to pray and ask God, what is your mission about these kids and bringing brighter future to them.
Pag sinabing galing sa bahay ampunan, negative na yung pagtingin. Pag dating sa kanila, iniiba namin the way na dapat hindi sila sabihin nga sa ampunan lang. Maiba po yung pagtingin sa mga bahay ampunan na pinamaltrato ang mga bata. At na po ay pinapalaki namin kung paano natin palakihin ang ating mga. Sa ganitong paraan po, matutulungan natin sila na mapaganda rin ang buhay nila.